What's the meaning of Bobby Jones? Bobby Jones. Bobby Jones.
Bobby Jones. Bobby Jones. Bobby Jones was an American golfer who lived from 1902 to 1971. He is considered one of the greatest golfers of all time and is best known for his achievements in the 1920s and 1930s. In addition to his success on the golf course, Jones was also an accomplished lawyer and amateur sportsman. He played a significant role in the development of the Augusta National Golf Club and the Masters Tournament. Despite retiring from golf at the age of 28, Jones made a lasting impact on the sport and continues to be remembered as a legend in the golfing world.